How's it going, you guys? Steven with Break Free Homestead. Today I'm going to be installing some outlets on our island. Now, this is just the cabinet portion of it. There's no additional wall built in behind this. It has cleats in the bottom, so there was no extra build out. There's no extra voids or space to add a junction box in there, especially, so island is all drawers, all the way up and down. We went ahead and we wired 2 outlets underneath of our island in the basement. And what we went ahead and did was we bought these, basically they're for like desks, and some people install them on couches and whatnot. Basically an extension cord with 2 outlets, 2 USBs and a USB-C, which is gonna be super handy. And we're gonna go ahead, and this will fit, just make sure you measure. This will fit above our drawer, or top drawer. So we're gonna put that right in there. And then basically this 6-foot cord is gonna be ran down into our outlet downstairs. All right, so to get this thing installed, we're gonna measure our insert that's gonna slide into it. And then we're just gonna use an oscillating tool to cut that out, get a nice precise cut, because you don't wanna mess your island up. You just paid way too much money for that. So let's get it done. Real quick, if this content helps you out at all, please drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It would really help our channel out. We love to provide content to make your life easier. Real quickly, I just measured the area that I needed cut out, and I went ahead downstairs. I just had an 1/8 inch piece of plywood sitting around, and I basically made our little jig, and now I'm gonna trace it on there, and yeah, should be a nice, even cut. All right, guys, we've got a nice cut. We just shoved it in there, threw a drawer in there, made sure it closed without issue, which it had 0 issue, 0 overcuts. So let me show you this thing. I think it looks pretty darn good. So here is the outlet tucked in there, and you should have a good amount of room. So even when something's plugged in here, nobody's gonna walk by this and swipe those plugs off. So I think this is pretty darn nice. And this is super handy that it has these USBs and the USB-C. Now all we gotta do is screw these in real fast with the provided screws. Then we're gonna feed it through the hole that we drilled in the bottom of our island to our basement, and then plug it in. If this helped you guys out at all for an idea to get some power in your island that doesn't have enough room for a box, I would appreciate it if you drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. We love to make content that makes your life a little bit easier.